TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Morning, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 170. You get NASDAQ off 59. S&Ps are down 18.5. We have gold up $2, trading at $1,181 an ounce. Silver up 15 cents at $15.97 an ounce. Platinum's down 11 at $1,082. We have light sweet crude off 57 cents at $59.83 a barrel. Bonds. Now, the bonds, folks, are in a very large ABC structure on the way down. They're bouncing out here today on dramatically lighter volume. You have the 10-year up 16 ticks, 125.25. 30-year up 29 ticks, almost 1 full point at 151.12. And King Dollar's up 128 ticks, 95.11. That's also in a large ABC structure on the way down. You have the euro down 31 at 112.35, and the yen is flat at 123.35. We go over and we take a look at the SPY. What you're going to see out here is this: the large movement upside on the 10th. It's given it all the way back. On the 10th, of course, well, on the 9th, we were trading down to 207.69. That's where we are right now. And what you're going to see out here today is that you're going to see an expansion of volume, however, as you come into that swing low. The swing low is 207.69. We've hit 79 thus far. I expect you're going to be banging on that all day long. What does that set up? That sets up a major failure last week on the daily, on the weekly. That's on your SPY. Anything under the cash S&P, folks, is the name of the game. And the cash S&P, the longer that we stay under the December 29th high, which is the 2093, sets up much lower prices. We're talking about a 1980 to a 1973 on the S&P, the cash S&P, that is. We take a look at the NDX 100. What do you have with the NDX 100? That also is coming into its lowest swing point from the 9th. That low price is 107.20. We've hit 107.31. We're going to have higher volume. This is banging the bottom, folks, with volume, and that's very unusual on a Monday in the summer. Bottom line is that you're pushing into that swing low with volume. I suspect it's going to break. We'll see how it handles it out here today. But thus far, intraday, with a half hour into the marketplace, you have high volume on the way down, this little 10-minute bar on the way back up, very light volume. Now, let's go take a look at the bond market. What do we have with bonds? Well, what you have happening with bonds right now is this. If we take a look at the 10-year first, what you're going to see is the 10-year has a bounce going on dramatically lighter volume. The 10-year has hit 125.31 today. We're at 125.25. I expect that more than likely you'll see this thing probably try to get into the 126.02, maybe even the 126.13. Bottom line, though, even with the market down this dramatically, bonds are getting an anemic bounce, which, by the way, is really unusual. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold needs wide price spread, accelerated volume. Can't push it down. However, we want to see expansion on the way up. Gold today had a low of 1171. We're at 1181 right now. It's rejected lower price. It has lighter volume. Bottom line, gold wants to try to get up and into this 1232 area. And King Dollar, folks, is in a very large ABC structure on the way down. What we have thus far today, you get a sideways move. You're at 95.11. I suspect what we're going to see is that it's going to build more cause to get into this 94.30 area. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.